Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to move your Cardano, ADA, from Trust Wallet over to Crypto.com in 2025, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just need a refresh, let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Crypto.com apps installed on your device, and that your accounts are set up. You'll need some ADA in your Trust Wallet to transfer. Always double-check your balances before starting to avoid any surprises. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your Cardano wallet. It's usually under the Wallets tab. Just tap on the ADA icon to select it. Once you're there, you'll see your ADA balance and a Send button. Go ahead and tap that. Next, head over to your Crypto.com app. Log in, go to your wallet section and select Cardano. Look for the Deposit option. This will generate a unique deposit address for your ADA. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double check for accuracy to prevent any lost funds. Now, back in Trust Wallet, paste the Crypto.com deposit address into the To field. Enter the amount of ADA you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review everything one last time, then hit Send or Confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Make sure it matches what you intended. After that, sit tight. Cardano transactions are processed on the blockchain, so it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network conditions. Once it's done, check your Crypto.com wallet to confirm the ADA has arrived. A quick tip: always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. And if you're dealing with larger amounts, consider using a hardware wallet for peace of mind. That's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video. Stay safe out there.